Skydiving isn't for everyone, but generally speaking, once an individual experiences it, they find the fall nothing but exhilarating. Dorshawn Salmon decided to take the jump himself to see for himself what the hype is all about. He also speaks to a skydive instructor to clear up any misconceptions regarding the sport. 15 on 15's Dorshawn Salmon took a free fall with Skydive Aruba. You have to have enough courage to make the jump, but skydivers are in good hands as the instructors must go through an extensive, thorough training in order to be qualified.
We have to have a minimum of 500 jumps, at least 3 years in the sports, and yeah, it takes a little bit to get there.
Gregory advises people to eat light before doing the jump. Contrary to popular belief, not that many people back out of skydiving when thousands of feet up in the air.
Not too much, not too much. I got about 2,000 jumps now, and I had only 2 refusals that they didn't want to jump. And you know, if it's not for me, I got a lot of jumps already. It's for you. If you really don't want to go, we're not gonna make you do something that you don't want to do. Over here in Aruba, we've done more than 5,000 jumps. I think a little bit more than that over the 5 past years. We've done a lot of jumps here, and nothing went wrong. Everybody's happy.
Tim from Florida made the big jump himself, and he is at a loss of words to describe his experience.
It was one of the most surreal experiences, just free falling, you know, because all that wind is flying past you, and it's just an experience that you don't feel normally because all we do is, you know, we're on land all the time. So it was amazing. It was crazy. I mean, it's almost like you're jumping off, you know, like into the water from I can't explain it, like a diving board or something, you know, but magnify that by a million.
Before being allowed to jump, the skydivers must reach a certain height.
It takes approximately 20 minutes before we get up to 10,000 feet. Around 8,000 feet, we're gonna hook up. 10,000 feet, we open up the door and we'll push you guys out.
Dorshawn sure looked like he had a great time. His landing was safe. For him, it was nothing but excitement.
Adrenalized, euphoric, and exhilarating are definitely how I felt while jumping from 8,000 feet above. For 15 on 15, I am Dorshawn Salmon.
Nothing to hold but the memories of friends.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, they remind me of the battle I faced.
You gotta do skydiving before you get old, because that's when you have all the energy.
Without you, I tried. Somebody save me, I'm going down. And I don't even know how I survived. I won't make it to the shore without your love. No, I don't even know if I'm alive. Oh, without you now, this is what it feels like.
Wow. Woo. You did it, man. There you go.
Thank you very much, Dorshawn. And thank you for watching. We'll be back here tomorrow night at 7:15 p.m. So we will see you then.